these are all energy conversion devices. Based on the working principle, we can say DC generator. Based on the working principle, we can say DC motor. What is DC generator? If mechanical energy converted to electrical energy, that is DC generator. If electrical energy converted to mechanical energy, that is DC motor. Same machine can act as generator as well as motor. Same machine, same construction can act as motor or generator. Okay. Now you see, construction means now come to the construction. In this case you see, okay, this is the outer frame, outer perimeter. Outer perimeter what we can say yoke. Outer perimeter what we can say yoke. Yoke provide mechanical support to the entire machine. Yoke provide mechanical support to the entire machine. You see, north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole. We can place like this. Okay. Through some bolt arrangement, etc., we can connect the whole machine. Okay. These are having n number of knobs. Okay, winding like this. If I am out of current going through that, we have number of knobs. So, MMF can produce. MMF means we can find flux. So, this flux, okay, from north pole to south pole, we can find like this. Okay. And here armature is the rotating part of DC machine. Here armature is the
rotating part of
DC machine. Okay. And yoke is stationary. Yoke we can say that is stationary, which provide mechanical support to the entire machine. So armature now we can find cylindrical shape like this. Armature we can find cylindrical shape like this. Okay. And these are the slotted armature. Slot. We can find just like this ductor. Okay. These are the slots. Okay. So these are suppose this is the conductor. This conductor must be properly insulated and put over the armature slot. Okay. This must be properly insulated and put over the armature slot. So while your armature is rotating, that means your coils or conductors are rotating along the armature. Now another thing here you see, this is your commutator. Commutator. What is commutator?
split ring.
Commutator is made up of broken copper segment must be insulated from each other by mica insulation. Because here you see, in comparison to your armature and commutator, here you see this is the bigger one, but this is the smaller one. So all winding going to connect here. If you will connect all winding to here, so there may be chance of the short circuit. Okay. To avoid that, we are using mica insulation in between the conductors. And this commutator is always fixed to the armature. Commutator is always fixed to the armature. So what is the role of brass here? This is brass. And brass here means this is made of carbon. And function of brass here is just to collect current from commutator. That means indirectly from the armature. Here you see this armature, this is rotated. Okay, and commutator is fixed to the armature. So brushes, carbon brushes are placed in the brass holder. So just to collection of current. This is rotating, but brass holders are not rotating. Just to collect current from your commutator, that means indirectly from the armature. Clear all of you? Now you see, other name of commutator also you can say split ring. Okay. So these are the different parts of DC machine. Okay. And coils. Okay. Armature windings, armature coils. Okay. We have to take two types of winding. One is your lap winding, another is wave winding. Lap winding means what? Number of parallel paths equals to number of pole windings. Okay. But in case of wave winding, number of parallel paths always zero. For lap winding, number of parallel paths equals to number of poles. For wave winding, number of parallel paths always zero. Okay. So whenever we repair low voltage high current machine, we have to use lap winding. Okay. And whenever we repair high voltage low current machine, we have to prefer wave wound armature. Okay. Accordingly, we have to, as per So now come to how to find the EMF equation. We have already known that EMF equation is given by E phi NZ by 60. Okay. EMF induced. How EMF is induced? EMF potential in case of generator, that is EG, which is P phi NZ by 60. Okay. EMF of rotation in case of generator, that is EG equals to P phi NZ by 68, and EMF of rotation in case of motor, that we can say EP, which is also P phi NZ by 68. In case of generator, EMF of rotation EG, but in case of motor, EMF of rotation, that is EG. But both are having same magnitude, P phi NZ by 68. What is P here? P is the number of poles. Okay. So always even number of poles must be there. Now north pole means south pole must be there. Okay. So P here is the number of pole, and phi is the flux per pole, and n is the speed in RPM, and what speed, that is rotating revolving per minute, and z is the total number of armature conductors. Here you see these are the conductors. In this coil we can say these are the conductors. Okay. So Z is the total number of armature conductors, and A is the number of parallel conductors. Okay. For lap mounted machine, that is number of parallel paths equal to number of poles. For wave mounted machine, number of parallel paths always. Okay. So same machine can act as generator as well as motor. Okay. Suppose we can find, we will consider about your suppose here you see this is your DC generator equivalent circuit. These are your field winding. This is considering a DC short generator. Okay. So EMF generated here. These are your losses. Once EMF generated, so current can flow, armature current, and this is your field current or short current, and this is your load current. So this is your field winding resistance, and this is your load resistance. Okay. So this we can take load. So once armature current flow, so we can write by EMF equation, that is H equals to terminal voltage. What is terminal voltage? Terminal voltage equal to load. Terminal voltage loss armature drop, loss of drop. Okay. For a generator, we have to represent the equivalent circuit like this, and EMF generated is given by terminal voltage loss armature drop. Armature drop is what? Here you see, this is your armature resistance. Armature resistance is very small. Okay, here armature resistance in the order of 1 we have already done in the practical classes. Armature resistance you can find very less, and this is your EMF generated. Okay, if armature resistance is more, so no current can flow through the DG. So this must be very less. Okay, so current flow, and these are the your losses to which current can. What is the role of function of brush? Brush is just to collect current from your armature. Yes or no? Brush, right? So we are taking current. So armature current here. Value of armature current, what we can write? Armature current equals to, that is